So I read 4 articles about computer security and whether you should install an antivirus or not. Some said yes, some said no. And I saw a yes and no at the same time. So I have decided to do the test myself. I'm Abraham and you're watching the Iraqi Tech Geek. So the test is a live demonstration of running a fake computer virus on 2 computers. One of them has an antivirus and the second one doesn't have an antivirus on it. Hold that point. But before that, let's talk about viruses a little bit. In 1971, BBN Technologies made the first virus in the world, and it was an experimental self-replicating virus called Creeper System. It would fill up the hard drive until a computer could not operate no further. However, the Morris was the first computer virus which spread extensively in the wild in 1988. It was written by Robert Morris, a graduate student from Cornell University, who wanted to use it to determine the size of the internet. His approach used security holes in sendmails and other Unix applications, as well as weak passwords. But due to a programming mistake, it spread too fast and started to interfere with the normal operation of the computers. It infected around 15,000 computers in 15 hours, which back then was the most of the internet. Since then, hackers started developing programs that find the vulnerable points and open ports inside the operating system, each with a special purpose. Some target the financial market, some steal information, some we call ransomware. Yes, well, the name matches the demand. It locks your files in exchange of money, others just to destroy your machine, and so on. There are currently 980 million malwares programmed in the world. An antivirus is a software designed to detect malwares, prevent the attacks of viruses and hackers, and watches overall applications behavior and computer health. But does a PC with the Windows 10 need one? Windows 10 has a built-in package named Windows Defender. It gets the essential work done, but it consumes much of the RAM. And the only way to fix this issue is to disable the Windows Defender or to install a third-party antivirus. And I hate to bring you the bad news, but Microsoft recently has released an update that doesn't allow the user to disable the Windows Defender from the registry anymore. So do I need an extra layer of protection, or should I stick with the built-in package, the Windows Defender? Let's find out. The demonstration shows opening a real fake virus on 2 machines, one with Avast free antivirus and the other one with Windows Defender. When I double-clicked on the virus, the antivirus software immediately detected the strange behavior of the file and blocked the threat. On the second machine, when I double-clicked on the virus, yeah, I wouldn't work on a machine that doesn't have a protection software. Avast is an independent organization which evaluates and rates antivirus and security suite software. Every month, Avast gets feedback from actual users who test different antivirus software, testing the performance, protection, and usability of the software itself. I recommend visiting that page before deciding which antivirus you download. For me, I use Avast free antivirus since 2006. The premium package comes with a wide range of services. You can upgrade your package anytime. Now that you've seen the test, I'm asking you, you think you need an antivirus? I hope you got the answer you were looking for. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you soon.